Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable YouTube picture-in-picture mode, viewing guide step-by-step clearly. Make sure your device supports picture-in-picture and is updated to the latest system version. Open the YouTube app and sign in to the Google account you use for watching videos. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner to open the account menu. Tap Settings to enter the YouTube settings screen. Tap General to view general playback and app options. Find the picture-in-picture option in the list. Turn on picture-in-picture by switching the toggle to the enabled position. If you do not see this option, update the YouTube app from the App Store or Google Play. After updating, return to Settings, then General, and check for the picture-in-picture toggle again. On Android, open your phone settings app if PIP still does not work. Go to Apps or Apps and Notifications and find YouTube in the app list. Tap Advanced if available, then tap Picture-in-Picture. Allow Picture-in-Picture for YouTube by selecting Allow. On iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app and go to General. Tap Picture-in-Picture and enable Start PIP automatically. Return to the YouTube app to test the feature. Play any video and wait until it starts streaming normally. Swipe up or press the Home button to go to the home screen. Check that the video shrinks into a small floating window and continues playing. Drag the PIP window to any corner to keep it out of the way. Pinch to resize the PIP window if your device supports resizing. Tap the PIP window once to reveal playback controls like pause and play. Tap the headphones or casting icon only if you want to switch audio output, because it can change playback behavior. If PIP does not activate, confirm you are not using an embedded player inside another app. Try a different video, because some content types may restrict background playback depending on your region or account. Disable any battery saver or background restriction settings that may pause YouTube when you leave the app. Close YouTube completely and reopen it to refresh the settings. Test again by starting a video and leaving the app to confirm picture-in-picture works consistently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.